Hi, this is Barry here, and I'm going to walk you through a demo of a website I've been building for Pawnshops. And what this will do is will allow you to upload your products to a website that you have control of simply, and so that you can sell your products online. And so you'll be able to upload your own logo. The categories will be right here for you, or for the user. Close that off. And then this is the actual home page. Anything that is uploaded, say for instance you have 3 stores, all the products of those 3 stores will be in this on the home page in the different categories. Now you can change these pictures out in the subcategories. So then you've got a footer here of different places, pages that you have. At the top you'll have a page that you can click on here, and I've got to work on this yet, but for right now it's just a contact us page. But what we'll have is we'll say, what's your product, how much do you want for it, phone number, blah blah blah, name, and upload like 3 or 4 pictures of that product, and then you'll get a quote. You, the pawn shop owner, will get this email and say, okay, well, I can do like 40-50 bucks on it, whatever. And then, but that's just an estimate. They're going to come in and look at it. You're going to look at it before you pawn it. So that's basically just to get people in to pawn different things. Back at home here, you could do that with your banner too as well. You could say, have something to pawn, and we could do it right inside the pawn, this banner thing. Or it could be for Black Friday or whatnot. We could switch it out, seasonal, Christmas, or it could be just whatever you want inside this area. If you have more than one store, you'll see this map. Of course, if you have one store, you'll see the pin on the map. And we've already gone over this. Alright, so if you click on our store, which would be our stores, so it'd be plural if you have more than one. So you click on it, and there'll be a drop down if you have more than one. Here you'll be inside the store, just the location. So this would be just the products that are in that location, not a combination. So you'll hover over of what's in the cart, and you have an option to check out. You can come in here and shop different things, and we can go for toys, and I'll show the list of toys that are down here. This is generic, so these are grown-up toys, I suppose. And you can see the price that it was, the price that it is, and all that you can change in the back office. Let's buy it now. It'll go to the product page. Actually, just to back up, you'll have this address here, and you can put your phone number and whatnot. Your phone will go here too, and the hours and location of that store. And then you can put your picture of your store right here too as well, and then your contact information and whatnot. So now we'll try to buy it. And now we just got a product description and a very pixelated picture, but yours won't be that bad. It's not that bad. So if there's like more than one picture, there'll be like a couple dots here, and you can click through them just like normal. Shipping price and whatnot, you'll have control of this in the back office. Pick up in store, and location description. Click add to cart. You can view the cart, check out, or continue shopping. If you view the cart, then you'll see the other items that are in the shopping cart, and then you have an option to check out. The checkout page is just one single page. So on the mobile, it'll be down in a row. So you can trash the products, It'll show the quantity that's in there. Select the delivery. You can register. This will be the registration information. Or if you're an existing customer, all you have to do is just log in, and then all that stuff be inside. And then you just click the option you want to pay, and pay now. Right now, we're just going to work with PayPal as a gateway for you. If you want to use another payment gateway, and then we'll work on implementing that, and we'll just implement different ones as we go, and then soon we'll have a combination of several payment gateways that we work with. So really, in reality, we'll work with any payment gateway that we need to. We're just not going to like implement a lot and then right off the bat. Right now, we're just going to get the product out there, and then we'll work with the one that you need to work with as we go. So that's that. And then pay now, of course. This is just generic, so I mean, it's workable, but it's not hooked up. We're not buying these things. All right, so here's the back end. The back end, you can do the store settings. So the storefront is pretty much everything that you've seen on that. You're changing the picture. There's your store logo, store name, store description, different things, store hours, the address, and then policies and billing. That's pretty simple. And then product manager, you can see the product, all the products that you've uploaded. And I just uploaded one since this was built. So the other ones are uploaded onto a different site, and when they had built it. So this is the only one that's that I uploaded since. I don't know, it's kind of a technical issue, but it's no issue. So we can edit it here, and you'll see it'd be just like adding a new product. So you can change it up. Best laptop, that'd be the title, the price, the sales price, features, description, condition, featured image gallery. So you can add, just keep on adding images. I guess if you hit plus, then you just upload another one. So, and category and tags, what category it is, tags, and then inventory, shipping, and whatnot. All right, so that's that. Then stats and reports and orders and payments, pretty much a knowledge base. This stuff here is all on the front page. It just shows you what you sold, what orders are coming in, and if you've sent out the orders and whatnot, and the payments you received. And that way you can search if you had a problem or whatever, and send stuff back, whatnot. Payments, of course. And then knowledge base, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload some videos after we get the system working for the first person, and then go from there. Get some videos in the back office so you can upload. So you know how to use this system. For the most part, though, we'll upload the system for you. So pretty much all you have to do is just come in here and look and see and fill orders. So that's that. And this isn't all set in stone. I mean, I can change up anything as we go. We can change the colors, like on the site here. We've got, if we go back to the home page, you'll see that everything's kind of red, and we can change that up and match your logo and your website design. We can put information on the front page that's on your website. Like, so for instance, you have a website, and a lot of the websites out there for pawn shops are just kind of generic looking. They're not generic, but non-functional. There's not much function there as far as buying stuff online for sure. So anything that you have on your domain that we need to put on here, we'll put on here to make it look like your brand. Of course, would be your brand. And we could change up different things. And that way you've got a functional website that you can use to sell your products online, because you could use Facebook ads and run Facebook ads to these, and people love to just sit on their phone and buy stuff instead of going around town and buying stuff, or pawning stuff as well. And then later on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a app that will make your products easy to upload to your store. So that's one thing that I think that's critical, is that, yeah, it'd be nice to have a big fancy website, but the thing is you've got to get all your thousands of products onto this store. So I know that if you're standing around, if you have employees standing around all day waiting for people to drop into your store and whatnot, that they could be using a mobile app and uploading products to this store that you have, and instead of like watching people come in or not come in. So with that said, I'm going to sign off, but then there'll be other stuff later on. Please give me any suggestions and click the link, put your name and email address, or just your email address, whatever it may be, into the box, and I'll send you updates, and I will let you know when all this goes live. And we look forward to working with you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.